Good day everyone, welcome to the Chart Trader chart of the week forecast on all time frame. In this video we'll be talking about Nasdaq, and the question is, will Nasdaq fall at some time soon? Today we will be discovering this. We will be doing the Nasdaq from weekly coming down to 1 hour time frame, and we will tell you what we do expect in there and what have we expected from a while ago. And if you've been following us on YouTube or anywhere in the social media, you will notice that we did call the up move on Nasdaq, and we are now calling a top on Nasdaq, and we will show you on the chart where is the top, where to expect the Nasdaq will crash, and will it crash. So let's get started and jump to the chart. So this is the Nasdaq on weekly time frame. So this of course is a naked chart, and I'm just want you to look with me on the chart first. Okay, will you be buying at this high? First of all, well, myself, even if I buy or I find buy setup on small time frame, I will use very tight stop loss on this one. The reason, if we start crashing from there, you may stay a while, like probably couple years in sideways move until we return to the upside. And from myself, I don't like to use stop loss so often. Okay, I like to take long-term trades, and when I trading on small time frame, I trade on the 1 minute. Here where I start use mental stop loss. Okay, when I see the trade not working as I plan for, I close the trade. So let's get started with this market outlook. So where is the top we do anticipating on Nasdaq? The Nasdaq, we expecting 13022.45. Please write this one down, this number, and you will see. If I'm expecting the Nasdaq will just spike up there and reverse very quick. Once we reach there, you can either put sell order if you're interested. Okay, and don't gamble on this trade because you need to see reaction from there pulling back very strong to the downside. So we do see them continuing back up there. Okay, and from there we'll watch the fall and the crash on Nasdaq. So the answer for will Nasdaq crash? Yes, we expecting Nasdaq will crash, and please quote this everywhere you go. If Nasdaq do crash from where we write exactly on the number we say, please quote this, that we did mention this and we did forecast this trade, this crash on the Nasdaq. So let's go back to the chart. So this is our long-term forecast. Okay, if you trade Elliott wave, per Elliott wave, we still in wave 4 and we have to go to wave 5. Let's come down to small time frame. So here we go, we are on the daily, and this our setup on the daily. There's another piece is missing to the upside more, so we still anticipating this number to hit. Of course guys, please don't take me on this. They can start crashing from anywhere here at this zone, but we only interested in selling from up there. I'm not selling before that, because any market crash, before the crash they will spike very sharp and then reverse. So I'm not going to sell too soon unless if I see great setup, and I tell you how to look for after when we come back to 1 hour. So at this time we are looking for buy setup, or just be on the side, watch it and get ready to sell this. So on daily, this is what we have on daily. Let me just quickly show you. This was our forecast before. We said there is potential for this to be the top. Said if you see setup, sell. Okay, I put the structure. I said we could run similar to this structure. So far we did say as well, watch it. Okay, I said there's two possibility. If we break this top, we are going here, and we are now on the way here. We are going to the upside to continue this move. Let's play and see it. Okay guys, we did not stop here, and this was great buy setup to the upside. We still anticipating them spiking to the upside, reaching this level before any sell. So this is what we did say from before. By the way, you can find me on TradingView. There is grid setup in there right now. As you see, DXY, Nasdaq is there, oil, Euro USD, yen. Let's see, did the yen plays out? See what's going on in here. See guys, exactly there. Guys, the magic is in wave analysis. You need to know how to use wave analysis and combine it with everything else, with Elliott wave, Fibonacci, trend analysis, and all this sort of these things. Okay, you need to combine all of them together and understand what you're doing. Once you do this, you will have an edge in the market. Let's see if XAG did stop on our box as well. This is the silver. Okay, watch it. It's stayed there. See how there's just stop on the box we did mention. And there is possibility for a down move. We will see if they hold and do correction. Okay, we will go with the up move to the 41 zone. Anyway, we are not in the silver. I'm just trying to give you a clue on it. Okay, guys. So S&P, you did expect the up move. It's exactly now there on the top. Watch it. It's right there. We'll put our arrow to the upside. We said if you want to sell, you only sell the breakout. We're not selling before that. You see that? It's right on the top, guys. So let's go back to Nasdaq. So let's go to 4-hour time frame and see what's in there, what's momentum, what's going on, what's playing. So by the way, guys, we can have this green structure. Okay, we placed this green structure from a while. If you watch my previous YouTube outlook, you will notice that this was right there before that move even happened. Okay, and we're playing exactly as it goes. So we can play like this and continue to the upside, or we can just spike from here. So you only sell if you have sell set up. Only if you see this, okay, you take this sell. Other than that, there is no sell setup at this time. Do not never try to sell something going sharp or buy something dropping sharp. Wide that turn, give you confidence. Wide correction, little correction, and then you have risk management for this trade. You can put stop loss below the bottom and take the trade to the upside. For example, if something going to the upside, and similar with opposite direction. So for this trade, even if they manage to come here, we will not. Let's see what happens from there. If I see them spiking sharp because they can go there and come back sharp here and then do that correction. Possible sell this one from the top. You stop loss somewhere here. Okay, only this one because you already near our target to all-time high. We're already all-time high, but where we expecting that big drop will start sharp. So we'll take small sell here and we will wait this drop correction and we will sell that breakout again. Okay, we will sell big trade on this breakout because this will confirm that big move to the downside. So on 4 hour we're still going bullish. Guys, if at any point you want to sell this pair, you only can sell after we break that trend line. That trend line, if this managed to come here, break that line, wait a pullback and sell. Why you wait pullback? Because you have risk management. You can put stop loss above the top and expect that drop. Even if they want to drop earlier, they can do that, of course. However, I'm not seeing this will happen in this case, but let's say if they drop from right there, okay, you know what to do. Wait this drop, break this trend line, pull back, they will give you small correction structure here, okay, and then that big fall will happen. Then you sell the breakout, stop loss above the top, and manage the trade that way. So if you ask me why we expecting this number, okay, sorry, this is the updated number. On the bigger time frame, it's just a little bit there. So it's 1295, 1.05. This is where we expect the Nasdaq is going next. And I really cannot say where did I get this number from. This only reserved for my course people that joined my course, so I only can release this plan for them. Okay, this is a trick, and we know how to get these numbers and how to expect it. So what's now? Let's go to 1 hour time frame, guys, and see what we have in there. See if this move is finished. I just type this on 4 hours. See guys, that's very strong bullish in there. So this move can be finished, okay, but we don't like this trade from there. I don't think they will drop from there. I think they will spike here and then drop, and they will not do that green structure I just showed you before. It's a possibility for it, but we want them to slow down and give us this setup to sell it. Other than that, there is no sell now, because they can spike sharp if they will crash. They will spike right from here in 1 hour time frame and reverse here. So make sure don't blow up your account in this zone, okay? Do not rush. Just be patient, and patient will pay off, guys. The secret about the game is patient. If you can be patient, you will make money. Trust me for that. So this is what we're expecting. We're expecting more to the upside, and once we reach this level, we start looking for sell setup. And we're expecting this bigger crash coming on Nasdaq very soon, possible sometime this week or next week. Okay guys, so enjoy this. Unless we do that correction here before we drop, unless we do that correction here, okay, then this will take possible another 1 month in this correction, and then we will drop. But at the end we will drop on this day. I think this year we will drop. We'll manage to drop. Let's see what happens. We will be updating this as it goes, guys. Just subscribe to our channel, give this video a like if you enjoy it, and let me know in the comment section if you like it and if you want to see more like this. And because you watched it to the end, I'll give you tips and bonus on this one. I'll give you a good trade setup so you can go and make money. And then after, you can of course go and buy my course if you're interested in what I do. Okay, this is the trade I'm expecting, and it is OS 200. And what we're anticipating, this is what we see. See, I'm in the trade. I'm in the trade already. Okay, and you can see on this breakout we will go to the upside, and this is your trade. Right. You can use big stop loss. Look, if you're investor, this stop loss is no problem for you. If you're not investor and trader, just use stop loss below this bottom here. Okay, and this trade is big to the upside. If you're trading with proper risk management, just use it below this bottom here. Okay guys, just use it below this bottom here, because we should not reach this level at all. And I can see them just reversing right now, and we are going to the upside from here, from right here. Why I'm expecting this, guys, and why I'm so confident about this trade, I will tell you why. This is indices, okay? It's like a stock. And this follows Nasdaq and S&P and all other indices. In Nasdaq and S&P, they made new high. Let me show you similar structure. In the other one, we are here now, okay? Why I said put stop loss here, because you see they can extend that more to a downside, break, make new low, and then go to the upside. And this is the same structure, and this is how the stocks moves, okay? Especially indices. So we're expecting we are in this correction and we are going up. That's why I said at least to this level, and from there we'll wait or take profit and wait this correction again and buy to make a new high. I'm anticipating them to make a new high. Okay, this is beautiful structure. Okay, we just will be questioned about this. Okay, they come here and then go, and it's possible, but I don't like it. I want them to just go up from here. So enjoy this trade, and here, this is your trade now. Well, I don't like this stop loss, guys. You can use it, of course you can use it. If you don't believe in this up move, you can use it. But if you come break it and turn, find buy setup again. If you want to be safe to the safe, just put it here, and this is great trade to the upside. So enter middle half trade here, and if they drop further, enter again and build up your position. And now I gave you the clue about this one. If we reach this zone, we are not interested in the buy anymore, okay? Max they can come is for this structure to be completed. Now let me show you. Okay, here, that's if they will make it. I'm not anticipating this again, guys, but max they can come is here, and then they will go on this structure to complete it to the upside. One sec. Okay, guys, this is what we can see in there. So we don't want to miss this trade. They can take off from trend line. You see I am in the trade already, and I'm expecting them to go from there. Let's see what happens. Even if they come here, we will be buying again. We are only buyer on this pair, guys. This correction already finished, and we are going to the upside. I'll real quickly show you the biggest structure, and we will end that video here. Let's make it short and nice. Okay, guys, we can see this structure is finished, and we are continuing up now. Okay, even if we will drop more, this need to make a new high. We will make a new high and then drop, even if we will drop, but I'm not anticipating this. Let's not talk too much further to the future. Let's just talk about what we have. Okay, take this buy setup and see what happens. Make the money and come buy my course and join my trading group. Let me quickly show you my trading group. And here you will get beautiful trade setup in here. Okay, I'll show you for the first and last time here. I usually don't show anyone this one. But anyway, see guys, this we got the trade. This is the trade I just showed you. That Nasdaq we already from the bottom. I told you we go to the upside and drop. Okay, I'm showing you day over on long-term trade, but in my channel you get short-time trade. Okay, we got short trade setup, and look, if you come here and check, over 99%, it's all exactly to the point. Watch and see now. This is the gold. You already up there now. Euro yen. This already anything has this mark. That means it did hit our target. Euro New Zealand goes here. S&P. This before we made that new high. See, we did enter. Even if we call a drop, we still know how to trade the pair. USD yen, as I showed you before, we did correct exactly. Okay. On trading view, I put just the bigger structure, but for my trade, I give them the secure trade. You see, we reached right here and stopped for correction. And my trader is looking for sell again from this place. What's happened here? And this is the gold from right before. Euro New Zealand, this was bigger trade. We got this. Guys, by the way, I want to show you one good trade, and just be patient with me. And let's go to the Euro here. Sorry. Maybe you can benefit as well from this trade. Let's look together for Euro New Zealand. Guys, natural gas, I want to show you this one as well. Watch this. Watch this magic, guys. You see that? We reached right my number and we turned to the upside. Are you happy? We got that first box reached successfully. We are out of the trade now, waiting correction or drop to come back almost near the low, and then we'll buy again. Our long-term target is here. See, I just put the number. I said this box, take it. He said find buy setup here. I did send this one for my email list as well. From right the bottom, I told them to buy. My email list you find on my website www.thecharttrader.com, and you will find you can subscribe for my email list. So we always send some good setup in there. I just want to show you something in here quickly. Watch this, guys. What is this magic? See that? Right on the box. Right on my box. On my golden box. That's why I call it my golden box. By the way, let's just quickly to the Euro New Zealand. I think it's interesting. Here, guys, see? Watch when this was posted. Let's see. The 30th of March. Okay. And they should say it clearly. March 30. Yeah, okay. Let's just play it and see what happens from there. Look, watch, guys, from right at the top. That's what I'm anticipating. See, they playing exactly as the structure I did put for you guys in here. You see, they even come to this bottom, right to this bottom and turn, and right to this top and turn, and we are anticipating them more to the downside. So managed to catch this trend on Euro New Zealand to the downside. I'm showing you now, and it's playing out exactly as you see. Okay, we got it right from the top. That's why I told you now about Nasdaq. They can spike like this, spike to the upside and drop sharp. See, that's what I'm anticipating. We didn't anticipate this. We got it, guys. We got it right from here down, and now we did come down right exactly as in the structure I put. That Y structure is I put it for you guys. Okay, and this is the real price from right there. Okay, it's playing out exactly as we anticipated. So go to my trading view page and look for this one. This is very interesting. There is a lot of this. Look, the S&P, that's where we expected from right the bottom as well, guys. Okay, and now we made new high. Let's show you more. USD yen was posted from like a year before, and watch it is still playing our favor, guys. We said we're in downtrend. We only looking to sell, and watch it. Came down, went back up as we said, and we are coming back down. See, this is like magic, guys. I hope you're interested in this. I hope you make some money as well, and please take this all as education. It's all for education purpose only, guys. Okay, I'm not advising you to take any trade. Just manage the trade. You need to know how to plan your trade, how to exit your trade, how to take profit. If you don't know how to do that, please feel free to contact us. We will help you how to do it. And thank you. See you in the next video. Hope you enjoyed this video today. Please, if you enjoyed it again, give it a like, write a comment, a feedback about that video, guys, and share it on your social media. Thank you and bye. See you in the next one.